Yes, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Yesterday, told you about the shift in mind. Like you have little kids in your school, and they bother you with the late admissions and everything, and that's too much for a workload on you. So the energy which we tried to shift, has there been any shift yesterday? The way you thought of the same situation?
Yes, ma'am. I was little more positive with the think, okay, they are children and they are pure souls. They've come to help me to be
You
grounded.
always remember today you have to write down your homework. You have to write down that they cannot harm you. They are children. If they had been elderly, 20 seniors or elderly people, they could have, pulled you down. They could have said nasty things about you. They could have bullied you. They could have done anything. But these kids are harmless creatures. And you are the boss there. If you give them love, you will get love in return. But with elders, the selfish motives come in between. So we have to see these kids because your life revolves around these kids. So they are selfless creatures, which gives you so much of life, hope, positivity, which little kids have around us. Hmm. Right. So
Yes.
now, one thing which I would like from today, do you have it of lying something small, small things?
Sorry?
आपको छोटी-छोटी बातों में झूठ बोलने की आदत है?
Yes, sometimes.
Uh, like, because we are discussing aura and we are in an aura workshop, so that's I told you how it impacts your aura. It depletes because we may not know with our eyes, but I've seen with the instrument how your aura comes on immediately the moment you tell lie. So when is that you speak? You don't speak truth.
Yeah, sometimes when it basically it is like okay, the things which I'm not supposed to say, and like my daughter asks me, did you might have asked someone or you might have said to someone. Then I tell her, no, I didn't tell. They only told, like just to safeguard myself.
Hmm. So does it make you feel powerful? Inquire yourself within. See, nobody's there. You are lucky enough. We'll be working on you today. So, does it make you powerful when you lie for small things and put blame on other person immediately?
I usually don't blame, but yeah, like some things she asks me. So then I tell her, no, I didn't do it. Like they only told me then and I used to usually say a lot of things which are not to be said to others. I used to tell others also.
Like.
Like अभी कोई बात छुपानी है, उनको नहीं बतानी है, तो वो मैं फिर उसको बोलती थी, लाइक आई यूज्ड टू, माय डॉटर बोलती आपने उनको बताया, मैंने कहा नहीं बताया, लाइक बट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड। तो छोटी-छोटी बातें ऐसी बहुत होती थी। नाउ इट्स कम बैक वेरी लेस बिकॉज़ आई हैव बिकम मोर कॉन्शियस अबाउट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग टू अदर्स और नॉट सेइंग।
Hmm.
सो दैट हैज़ रियली हेल्प्ड
Okay.
थिंग्स लाइक।
So, we are talking about expansion of aura, and we say lies just because we can't control our habits. We say without thinking to others, and then you protect yourself by मेरे ऊपर blame ना आ जाए, मेरी daughter मुझे कुछ ना कह दे. But don't you think कि उसको कभी ना कभी पता पड़ेगा and the trust will be lost forever? I'm not asking you to go into guilt. We are working
नहीं,
here, we will
या
release it.
ट्रस्ट इश्यूज है उनके साथ मेरा, है।
फिर so
I'm changing now. She's finding that change because I'm consciously changing. She's finding that change in myself. She started trusting me more now. Initially, it was she used to not tell me some of the things because then she thought, "Okay, Mama will go and tell someone else also." So that things are there.
So do you know how much you have missed? How कितनी सारी बातें वो आपसे शेयर कर सकती थी. आप चाहते हो वो शेयर करे, but you don't get to hear anything because of your this habit of telling to others. So who is more important to you? Your daughter is more important or the world is more important? Why do you do that?
My
Ask
daughter,
us. You have to
obviously.
inquire with it. ये जब हम कर रहे हैं ना, हम करते हैं तो क्यों करते हैं ऐसा? There is a reason behind every action we take. So why do we
Yes,
do that?
my daughter is more important, obviously.
No, no, I know your daughter is more important, but you go and tell the world outside. Why do you do that?
Like, just maybe, what I've realized after so many years is just to get the attention what I used to not get and all that. A lot of things
Okay.
were there.
So you would tell your daughter's secret and lose your this thing. So you're taking your daughter for granted.
Initially, maybe I had never realized all that.
Hmm.
It was like बोल देती थी कुछ भी किसी को भी कुछ भी बोल देती थी.
हाँ.
Now last 4 5 years I've become like she's told me not to, like, she has you can say helped me to learn all these things कि you should not do.
तो आप
And
अटेंशन सीख करने के लिए आप बातें आगे बोल देते थे. अटेंशन इतना सीख करना है कि हम एक अटेंशन डॉटर की खो रहे हैं, वो हमें पता ही नहीं पड़ रहा है क्योंकि वहां से वो बात ही नहीं बताएगी, है ना. सो सुधा जी इज देयर. लेट मी आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन. यू कैन क्लियर योर ऑरा. गुड मॉर्निंग सुधा जी. देयर इज अ यू कैन क्लियर योर ऑरा फर्स्ट. You also start, Chandan. So the question today is, we are on 11th, 12th day of the Aura workshop, right?
yeah, 12th day.
हाँ. सो हमने 50% ऑलमोस्ट 50% कवर कर लिया. 40% कवर कर ही लिया है.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. सो एंड वी आर नाउ. अभी हमें थोड़ा अपनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों पे ध्यान देना है कॉन्शियसली. अभी हम सब कर रहे हैं, अपने माइंड में कोई इमोशन पड़ा है, बाहर का ऑरा भी क्लीन कर रहे हैं, बट is there anything wrong in our behavior that really decreases our aura? As I said that when you lie, your aura decreases, which I have seen with my own eye. When you think of donating something, your aura increases, and when you don't, just so you become weak. So Sudha ji, the question, Chandan, you can clear your aura. So I was asking Chandan, आप क्या
I've
झूठ
done,
बोलते
ma'am.
हो? Okay. आप कभी झूठ बोलते हो? तो she says yes, I speak sometimes. So is there any situation with you that आपको कभी बोलना पड़ता है या आदत है कि हाँ मुझे बोलना है? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
In my case, it's not that I like to tell lies, but for the sake of my son, I have to tell lies because he doesn't understand certain things. And if I explain it to him honestly, he will get very irritated. Like yesterday, we bought the almanac, Panjang. So he was telling me why he doesn't like calendars, he doesn't like Panjang. So I don't have any calendars in the house. I said, okay, that's fine. And he doesn't like the Panjang. He's saying, why do you need the Panjang? So I told him that, I bought him crystals for his for the new year for him. So I told him, see, unless I look at the Panjang, I won't know which day to clean the crystals. So that is why I'm using it. He's saying that, no, you don't use it for anything else. I said, no, I'm not using it for anything else, which is not the truth, but I have to use it for this. So he gets, the condition which he is like that. So for his sake, sometimes I have to lie. Or it's not telling a lie, but I have to tell him I can't tell him the truth, the absolute truth.
Any other place? Any other place with your students in your college, university, wherever you go?
No, I don't do that. I only tell them the truth. I tell them that, see, boss, I can't come today. I'll come tomorrow. That's it. Or if I can't take a class, I'm very honest about it. There's nothing.
No, but class is okay. Class is okay. Anywhere else where you feel scared and there's like Chandan example. बहुत honestly she is telling कि मुझे attention चाहिए होता है, तो मेरी daughter अगर कोई भी बात मुझे बताती है, मना करती है, फिर भी मैं बाहर बता देती हूँ ताकि मुझे attention मिल जाएगी.
No, nothing.
Okay, now this is a clear case. Don't feel guilty, Chandan. We are here to work.
Yes.
Yes. And
Yeah.
and Sudha ji, if I would say, the other day I gave you the example, we are going on a micro level of how our aura gets affected. As I told you, my father was being called on the stage and he told his name, so aura was fine. The moment he said that I am Shah Rukh Khan, his aura shrank. I saw it with the own eyes. Now you can Google out. how aura gets affected when we lie, you will get ample results there. I haven't googled out, but I know it. I will find out and then I may share that thing with you. तो अगर हम ऑरा पे काम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि हम कॉन्शियसली भी देखें. अगर आपने कहा मैंने बेटे के लिए मैं बोल देती हूँ, पर मेरे फादर ने जैसे स्टेज पे ड्रामा हो रहा था, बुला के उन्होंने बोला तो ऑरा श्रिंक हो गया, तो मैं बोल ही रही हूँ ना झूठ.
No, that is true.
यूनिवर्स
But
डजंट नो, यूनिवर्स डजंट नो कि भाई
doesn't
ये
know.
बच्चे
The
को बना
universe
रही है या
doesn't
नहीं
know.
करना है.
No, I
हाँ.
understand. But in certain, in my case, I'm saying, in certain, I can be brutally honest with anyone, including
हाँ.
my daughter or everyone. But in his case, since he doesn't understand, how do I do it? Because then he gets very violent, very upset, then he doesn't go to sleep. This happened last night. So I have to, I told him a partial truth. It was not a lie. I said that I have to know when Amavas is coming or when Purnima is coming. So I have to know that. How will I know? I'm not going to use it for anything else, though I will. But I won't use it for anything else. At least I need to know when to cleanse your crystals, right? So I have to do that. So, which is the partial truth. It cannot be a total lie. But in his case, I am not able to break that because he is made that way. I can't afford to help it because or I have to tell him in a way that he understands, fine. But if I tell him that I'm not going to use it for anything else, which is the partial truth, it's very difficult for me to do that. When I tried telling him the truth, it got very upsetting.
So this is
And
one example, and it can be solved by downloading something on the phone. You'll get all the panchang in your phone, which can be
no,
done.
the thing is, I need
Other
the
areas,
physical.
other areas of life. This is one. This is okay, fine. He saw it, and then okay, once in a blue moon. Then what about other areas? If you're so aggressive, it gets aggressive with you. What are the other areas, and how can you solve it? That's your homework. कि मैं जितना ईमानदारी से सच बोल पाऊं, because aura is getting, see, चंदन के
Depleted,
केस
yes.
में तो क्लियरली, चंदन के केस में तो क्लियरली शी इज मेकिंग लॉस ऑफ इन एवरी पॉसिबल वे. शी इज लूजिंग ट्रस्ट ऑफ अ डॉटर. वो बताएगी नहीं. अब जिसकी इसको चिंता है अटेंशन लेने की, जो दे रही है वहां तो देख ही नहीं रही है. एंड डॉटर इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैट द वर्ल्ड इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. चंदन, बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड. आपके लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपकी डॉटर या दुनिया?
daughter. Initially it was, I was never bothered like कौन क्या है, बस everything सबको बोल देना वो. And it never came into mind कि we should not tell others all the things and all. I was very open, एकदम बिंदास थी. Never thought कि like बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ भी बोल देती हूँ कहीं भी. It was like that.
So
And
that's why
negativity
people did
बहुत,
not take you seriously. That maybe
yeah.
that's the reason
And
people
बहुत
didn't take you
negativity
seriously.
maybe that negativity बहुत ही हो गई है कि it is emitting out, like I can feel people moving away from me. Why now, like those things, like I've realized. So I'm
कोई
working on it.
ऐसा बड़ा एग्जाम्पल कैन यू गिव जिससे मतलब डॉटर को भी फर्क पड़ा हो, आपको भी फर्क पड़ा, और दुनिया जो लोग हैं सो कॉल्ड जिनको आप बताने जाते हो, उन्होंने बाद में बात करी और आपको लगा हो ये मुझे नुकसान ही हुआ बताने का. इज देयर एनी सिचुएशन?
Situation means there are a few things that have come up now happening recently. I don't tell now anybody anything. It is just I be to myself, even my own things, because कि चलो आज मेरे को छुट्टी लेनी है, simple thing. आज मेरे को छुट्टी लेनी है. Then people ask me why you want to take, and I tell. Then now I've learned to say no. I want a holiday, personal reason. And one more big example. I was doing the course with you, ma'am. The Friday holiday wala matlab, I'd taken Friday holiday for that course. So people ask me, what are you doing? I said, no, when I finish, I will tell you. So very frankly, I didn't tell anybody anything what I'm doing except one of my cousin, because she helped me with the computers and everything. So, and we are close. So I just told her, I'm doing this thing, in spirituality, I'm learning things. I didn't tell anybody. Saloni knew it. That's it. Like that was my biggest achievement. Like, okay, now I'm able
So,
to,
yeah, when we have learned to say no, because when I come across with all this, I have undergone all this journey when I would never be able to say no, and I have seen the results, which is obviously people, how they will treat you, how will they take you. So I am coming up with my own experience, so I can really connect with the situation. Not I would go and tell the world, that was never the case. But when you're not able to say no to people and would do, and then what happens? So that's another story. So one part is here, the two things are coming up, that you have to learn to say no also, that this is what you want and this you don't want. सो बिकॉज ये जब हम ऑरा की वर्कशॉप करते हैं, ये पावर देती है हमें. सो ऑरा बिकम्स पावरफुल व्हेन वी नो ये दिस इज आई वांट, दिस इज आई डोंट वांट. देयर इज अ क्लियर लाइन. ऑरा क्या है? हमारा एक्सटेंशन है एनर्जी का, रेडिएट करती है बाहर. छोटी छोटी बातें अगर हमारी अगर हम वो ले लेना, खरीद लेना सब, तो समझ आ जाएगा कि कितना कितना कितनी चीजें वो हो सकती हैं. बिकॉज अभी हम मेजर नहीं कर पाते, वी डोंट हैव एनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट राइट नाउ कि हमें क्या कर रहे हैं और क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं. द यूनिवर्स डजंट अंडरस्टैंड कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. उसका तो लॉजिक है ही नहीं. वो तो बुरा भी दे देगा मांगोगे तो, अच्छा भी दे देगा. वो कुछ नहीं समझता. इसलिए दैट्स अ फैक्ट. इट्स एन एनर्जी. एनर्जी जो भी दे रहे हैं, है ना, एनर्जी तो वही. अब आप कोई चीज को जब जो अच्छी विद्याएं होती है, जैसे श्री विद्या वगैरह, तो उसमें when I learned that, and though I never practiced that, but he was saying that after 16 years he gave that Shri Vidya ka sadhana ka attunement, because people started misusing all that those powers to harm other people. So then it becomes the karma of the guru also. You are giving to a person who is not the right patra, right? जो उसके लिए बना ही नहीं है, तो उसको क्यों देना. अब अगर मैं ये समझ रही हूँ कि मेरी जर्नी ऐसी रही और मैं अब स्ट्रांग होती जा रही हूँ, मुझे क्या कहना है, क्यों कहना है, किस लिए कहना है, तो जब आप अपने आप में कंप्लीट हो गए, आप स्ट्रांग फील करोगे अंदर से. डर ही नहीं है. कह दोगे तो लगेगा अरे पता नहीं वो क्या समझेगा, क्या बोल देगा आगे. फिर हम एक उसमें से श्रिंक हो जाते हैं. श्रिंक होते हैं ना हम, तो क्या हमें ऐसे श्रिंक रहना है? ये यू आर फियरलेस. You are not doing anything wrong. Why are you scared? You have to be fearless. ऐसा नहीं किसी से aggressive होना है, बदतमीजी करनी है, but you are fearless, and that's a power in yours. That's power within, and वो आपको बहुत और अपने आप स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. कोई बड़ी साइंस नहीं होगा ये और हम छोटी छोटी चीजों से डिप्लीट करते हैं. You're getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. अब as far as Sudha ji's situation is a real situation, we understand that. बट स्टिल व्हेन शी हैज अंडरस्टूड हियर. अभी मैं भी कई बार सिचुएशन में फंसती हूँ सुधा जी कि क्या बोलूँ मैं यहाँ. बट देन आई थिंक एंड देन आई फाइंड आउट अ वे कि यहाँ पे ऐसे बोल देना चाहिए. देन आई एम स्केयर्ड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. नहीं यार, इससे और चिंदी चोरी क्यों करनी है. ऑलवेज हैड दिस वर्ड. आई हैड रेड दिस बुक, लुइस एकी. ही सेज आपने ऑफिस से एक पेन उठा लिया, एक पेन उठा के ले आए ऑफिस से. आपने पेन उठा लिया या वहां से लाख रुपए निकाल के ले आए, चोरी है ना. अब ये नहीं कि आप बड़े हो रहे हो इसमें कुछ. यूनिवर्स डजंट सी. आज बैंक से कोई 2 रुपए निकालता है, उस पर एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा? बिल्कुल लिया जाएगा. चाहे वो करोड़ों निकाले या 2 रुपए निकाले, एक्शन तो लिया जाएगा. So universe,
this is mine is only purely trial and error, because initially as a kid I didn't have so much of a problem. Here also I avoid telling for a very long time. Only when push comes to shove, that I need to break that. That is when I use this thing where I have to convey, like they say, Ardha Satya. I can't say the whole truth, but I cannot tell a full lie. Because I'm afraid for myself.
No. Now when we are discussing it, you are conscious about it, and you will find out the way how can you be, you can handle the situation, because you are under a test. You have been put into this situation by the divine, some difficult test, and you have to pass with flying colors. That's the situation. Examination तो हो रहा है, तो कितने सा जीवन है, 70 साल का, 80 साल का, इससे तो बड़ा लाइफ है नहीं. And if we see the journey of our soul, पता ही नहीं, endless, thousands continuously. छोटी सी जर्नी है, छोटी सी वो है जहाँ हमें ये मिला है. So how beautifully we can handle, and how beautiful it's consciously self talk which should go on. बस वही help करेगी.
नहीं, इसके पहले, before this workshop also, whatever happens, I always tell God, today I have made this, told a lie, please help me out of it, मैं कुछ और नहीं कर सकती. It's a lie because it's what they say, it's a white lie, because I have to sustain myself. I have to take care of my mental health as well. And I always tell God that please help me. Let me tell Nitin whatever I have to say. Not the full truth, perhaps because he can't understand. He's not capable of understanding.
I can understand, but now when we have discussed it, you will be able to find out the ways on your own, and very pleasantly you will be able to do it. Now, हाँ, मिलेगा. Every problem has a solution, that is said.
Solution. Exactly.
So when we are talking about aura, small things should not disturb our aura. And when you start living consciously what you're talking, how you're behaving, then it becomes powerful. You become more powerful. डर किस चीज का लगेगा फिर सच बोलने से? लोग आपको
I'm not.
पसंद नहीं करेंगे, वो बात अलग है, लेकिन वो तो वैसे भी नहीं करेंगे कि नहीं करना होगा तो। कितने ईमानदार है। अगर एक जना भी आपके साथ सच्चा जुड़ा हुआ है ना, दैट इज द ट्रेजर। भीड़ इकट्ठी करने की जगह, जस्ट टू प्लीज देम एंड वेस्टिंग योर टाइम।
Here
It's for
also.
Chandan. It's for Chandan because
हाँ,
she's not out still. She burps. वो फिर मुझे म्यूट करना पड़ता है, तो इसको यही सब चीजें जो मुझे समझ आ रही है, that's why, है ना?
no, like yesterday, my daughter was around, and then she was telling something to my son. So she tried to push that this is what it is, but he refused to listen to her. So I said, "Okay, Nathan, it's okay. Let Nivi be. She's just having fun with you, and you have to let go." But he was very upset for a long time. And the thing is, he doesn't show his upset. He's being upset. The two people he targets are me and my daughter. He will not tell it to anybody else. Whomever he's angry with, it comes on to me or my daughter. And then I call myself a soft target because
That's a
I
fact.
don't know
That's a
him.
fact. आप ये तो देखो, he is having some mental issue or whatever you may say, but उसको ये भी समझ आ रहा है ना, soft target का है, कहीं बाहर बोलूंगा तो क्या होगा? तो he is sane. He is
He's
sane.
that way. He's very smart. So I told him, see, go and tell it to somebody else. No? Why are you telling me? So he said, no, I can't do it. I said, then don't tell me either. I'm not going to be hurt by this. Don't do it. I will fall sick. And that time, what will you do? Then I have to reason it out with him. But now I have started telling him also a few unpleasant truths as well. I have. But the thing is, when it affects you in the sense mentally and emotionally, because after doing all this, your aura cleansing, he start yelling at you. There's no point. I mean, your entire thing goes waste. So I said, okay.
आई वुड से अभी तो आप कर रहे हो, बट आप भी ना उसकी वो स्ट्रेंथ डेवलप नहीं होने दे रहे, डर की वजह से कि वो वायलेंट हो जाएगा। उसकी भी तो सुन की कैपेसिटी कहीं तो बढ़ेगी कि ये इट्स नॉर्मल।
नहीं, वो तो है, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो द ट्रिगर ना। मेरा यही प्रॉब्लम है कि आज का ट्रिगर क्या है। If I know a pattern, it's easy for me. But that is common among kids with on the spectrum.
You muted yourself.
5 minutes earlier, he's okay. But then afterwards, I don't know what happens to him. And then when I tell him something, he gets very upset. So I just stop talking for a while. Then he'll come and say, okay, I'm sorry. I said, okay, fine. But that doesn't happen all the time. It's a very difficult thing with him because that is a part of the spectrum issue. I understand that. But I said, how much longer am I going to take it? I sometimes think. But then I said, okay, let me see. Each day is a trial and error. There are times when I can do it like this. There are times when it takes a very long time for me to work on him.
Okay, so
I will consciously do it again.
नहीं, when we are conscious ना, we'll find the ways. And it'll make you more powerful in a way that आपने बता दिया, आपको डर नहीं लग रहा है, उसको भी समझ आ गया है. Maybe our energy of fear goes there and then he starts behaving in a, वो जो energy हम देते हैं जो हमें पता नहीं पड़ती है, उस तरीके से शुरू में रिएक्शन आएगा, बट वो आदत हो जाती है सबकी, है ना? हमने अपने डर के मारे, हो सकता है कि वो वायलेंट हो जाएगा, एग्रेसिव हो जाएगा, तो हम उसको बोलते ही नहीं है. लेट्स सी, इट्स अगेन, एंड इफ यू आर कॉन्शियस कि ये मैं कर रही हूँ और इट्स एग्रेसिव होगा ही होगा, बट आई एम रेडी फॉर इट, मैं पर्पसफुली कर रही हूँ, आई विल नॉट गेट इफेक्टेड, देन यू विल नॉट गेट इफेक्टेड.
No.
If I give you some homework, do this trial and error, so you know what you are doing consciously, you are doing. So why would you get affected? Why would you get affected? You will not get affected.
See, also, Seema ji, there's one thing called the support system. If you have a very strong support system, you know that you will say that no, that's not okay, Nitin, don't do it. Then it's fine. You know you're getting somewhere. But when you don't have that support system,
I understand completely. I
it is
understand
very.
completely, but we know our situations and we want to
No, I'm
like
not
this.
complaining. I am not at all
No,
complaining.
no,
I've
I'm not
only
saying you're complaining, but the thing
paid
is,
my
you
way
have
through.
Understand.
yes, I'm just saying, do we want to continue like this, like whatever years are left in our this lifetime? Maybe they're so weak they need support themselves. What do? We think हम उस इंसान से सपोर्ट मांग रहे हैं जो खुद ही सपोर्ट मांग रहा हो, हमें क्या पता है ना? There's so many.
No, I asking though is gone. I'm not
Maybe
even asking.
females are more open and more expressive than men.
No, that is true. That is very true. I agree. I mean, if I've come so far, it's because of that.
So you should be thankful that I got this situation.
Yes.
In situation, so what I'm today is because of all that situation. God
Yes.
has put
No,
me
one
into.
thing everybody has told me, I mean, some people who are psychic and intuitive has told me that, you know, it is because of your son that you've come this far. Trust me. Anji. It's because of your son that you've come this far. So continue the good work. I said, okay, I'll do that.
So अभी हम we will start tapping. या मैं इसको अलग कर दूं क्या इस recording को? या साथ में चलूं दूं because Anu is not here. She will be seeing the recording. There's
No
a lot of.
problem.
Let us see. It's okay.
I will make it. I will, you know, इसको मैं यहीं बंद कर देती हूँ. And we will do the practical part and she can see if she wants to see this. अलग अलग दे दूंगी मैं. Let's start.